Okay, so in this video what I'm going to be doing is just showing you how to enable the SMB1 on your Windows 10, because you might have like an old NAS or a sort of a machine which is running an older version of Samba, which only supports SMB1. And of course, if you're using a newer version of Windows 10, then basically what I'm going to do is just show you what happens. Right, so basically if you're running a older version of Windows 10, sort of NAS server, then if you try to map a network drive, what you'll find is that when you put the details in, when you try to connect to it, it'll come up with this message saying that the needs the obsolete SMB1 protocol. And I suppose one of the main reasons why they've disabled it is because of apparently there was some sort of virus or something that you took advantage of bugs in it. So of course it's easier just to disable it rather than actually try to fix the problem. So, but what you can do anyway, if you want to actually enable it, is if you go to basically the control panel, and then in there, if you go to programs and features, and obviously if you've got OneDrive, just if you don't really want it, you can just get rid of that. If you want to have it popping up every 5 minutes saying that you should. But anyway, that aside, so what you do is you go to turn Windows features on or off, and if you scroll down, you get to a section where it says SMB1 CIFS file sharing support. You notice there's no tick in there, so if you just click on the plus and just add the client and the server, just in case you want someone to connect to your machine, and of course they'll complain saying that one crank can get in as well, but that's just how it is. But obviously you're only ever going to do this if you're in your own private network behind the firewall anyway. Okay, so now it wants to restart. It'll take a bit longer to start up now. Alright, so now if we try that again, map the network drive, choose whatever letter you want. Yeah, so it connects. So now finally you can get into your old sort of share where you had all your sort of old files, etc. So Okay, so that was just a quick video just in case someone gets stuck, so that they know what to do to get back into their old file servers. Okay, see you.